we tend to bend backwards in trying to address the immoral behavior in our society. And to me, it's immoral. And the behavior you find in young people, the behavior you find in society, it's moral decay. And that has got to be challenged to say, we cannot live a life, for instance, where to be a proper young person, you know, to be a proper woman, you must go around showing off your whatever and whatever and whatever. To be a proper this, you must do this. And those are things that directly we need to challenge. Or what you can still be a proud black woman who says it's not descent, you're a proud black man, young man who says it's different. In the olden days, for instance, we used to have campaigns by Abo Asayo as a team, as a spin and auction as a card. You know, they were anti-drug campaigns. And what is interesting to know, you know, about what our youth who are conscious doing, for instance, shipping. Because the leather drug only lives with shipping. You find shippings everywhere. Buying something which is very strange. Almost daily. People must realize that when between 3 or 4. I was saying the society that will bring. And those realities we need to inject and interact with them. Once you accept a path, PC, or because a PC unfortunately is a lifestyle, you need to try and live up to it. If you're saying it's wrong, or behave destructively, so in a way you need to also try and live according to those things.